Oh, no way. That is slippery. Get through here and have a look. Oh man, that's so slippery. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, I'm not going to get up that. Still slippery, shit. I thought I was going to be out of the mud. How the hell am I going to turn around in this shit? Righto, I somehow pushed my bike up through this shit. I think it was just through fear of having to pick it up in the mud that I didn't drop it. Oh man. Rightio, I am definitely heading straight home now. I've cooled off a bit, I had a break. It was very deceiving, that track. It looked nice and smooth. It wasn't until I got on it that I realised it was so muddy and slippery. I thought, just over that rise, it's not muddy, and I went over that and I'm still muddy. Oh, managed to get the bike turned around somehow. I think the best thing I did was just stop for 5, take a drink, cool off, strip my gear off, have a bit of a think about what was going on, and then yeah, once I tried again, it went pretty easy. I was really worried about getting over that rollover, but yeah, because I did a bit of walking around while I was cooling off, I found the bit that had a bit more traction, found the right line to take, and yeah, got it over. Just as I got to the top of that and was getting my breath back, the bloody 4-wheel drive came, and I was bloody glad to see him. I don't think he was too keen on helping me push my bike somehow, but I'm sure if I asked nicely he would have. Oh man, I just cleaned my bike yesterday. Rightio, I'm going to sign out here. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the next one.